Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of JLabel. JLabel is a class in Java Swing. It is used to display short string or text to our window. Okay? We could also display here images. I have here on the screen an example of a JLabel. So we have here our frame, and then inside the frame, you have to place the labels that you're going to have. So for example, we have here first label, then we have here our second label. So let's create an example that displays the items here. Let's now go to our NetBeans program. Let's create another class. Let's give it a name, swing 1b. Okay, and just press enter. First thing that we have to do is we need to import our library. So import java x dot swing dot asterisk. Sorry, that asterisk. Next is we need to uh, have our public static void main. Then let's have our frame j frame f is equals to new j frame. Okay. Then inside the parentheses, we could provide our title here. So let's say JLabel example. After that, let's now have our labels. JLabel, label 1, label 2. Now let's assign values for label 1 and label 2. Label 1 is equals to new JLabel. Okay. Then you can have here the value of our label. Let's say label 1. Then for label 2, let's put it first. Okay, let's set the location. Okay, label 1 dot set bounds. Okay, set bounds allows us to place the item or object to our frame. It has 4 arguments: x, y, width, and then height. So let's say let's put it here in this location. Okay. Next is let's have label 2. Label 2 label 2 is equals to new j label, and then label 2. Then let's place it label 2 dot set bounds. Okay, 50. Then let's make this 100. This is 100, and then 30. Okay. Once you have already the values of the label, we need to add the object to the RJ frame. Okay, to do that, you just simply type here f, which is our object for our frame, dot add, and then you need to add here the object. Okay, let's add here label 1. Okay, next is f dot add label. Okay, so what did we use? Label 1, then we have here label 2. Okay, once we have added label 1 and label 2, the next thing to do is to set the size of our frame. So f dot set size. Okay, width and height will be, let's say, 400 by 400. Then don't forget to include our exit. F dot set default close operation. Then use here j frame dot exit on close. Okay, then f dot set layout. let's have it null, and then last it f dot set visible, f dot set visible, and is equals to true. Okay, so here's our code. Let's try run our file. Okay, here's our output. So we created our frame. Then inside the frame, we have placed the text label 1, label 2 to the location 50, row x, y, x and y 50, 50. 100 is our width, and then 30 is our height. Then the label 2 is placed at 50, and then uh, y is 100. Same goes with the width and then height here. Okay, so this is our example. I'm using JLabel in Java Swing. So if you like the video, thank you for watching. Bye.